皆さん、こんにちは。シンガポール在住の中国のビキです。よろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, I'm Vicky. How are you doing? All right, today I would like to record Friday's 2 p.m. Zoom lesson. Okay, so for those who couldn't attend the lesson, hope this video is good reference to you. All right, so let me share the screen. All right, welcome to Happy Milai Learning Lab. Okay, so today's 2 p.m. session, I'll be having a little bit of quiz. Okay, see if you know some of the words we'll be using during this lesson. Okay, and I'll be sharing some kanji readings, and for those kanji you can see on the screen, and also I'll be sharing months of the year and then the basic sentence patterns. Alright. はい。今、クイズの時間ですよ。クイズタイム。はい。皆さん、どうですか？ You see these 5 words on the screen? This year, next year, Monday, next month, April. Okay, so those are the words. It will appear during today's lesson. Okay? はい。All right, so just now the quiz answers will be appear during the lesson. Okay, please try to remember, and then the answer will be revealed at the end of the video. So for kanji readings, okay, so those kanjis on the screen, basically they have quite a few readings, and actually a lot of them are very, very common and basic words actually we need to know. Okay. So first, let's look at this one, okay? So this kanji on the screen, the number 1 reading, toshi, okay, toshi. For example, those 4 words on the screen, toshiue, いいですか? Toshiue, older, toshishita, toshishita, younger, kotoshi, kotoshi, this year, ですか? 毎年, 毎年, every year. Okay, so those 4 words are actually basic words. If possible, please try to remember. Okay, right, next. Okay, so number 2 reading, yeah, it can be read as nen, nen. For example, 来年, 来年, okay, next year, 来年, next year, okay, or 一年生, 一年生, yeah, okay, so this can be used when you introduce yourself, yeah, 一年生, first grade, yeah, first grade. For example, a kid, when he or she introduces himself, if he is like primary 1, so can say 小学校一年生です. 小学校, 小学校 means primary school, yeah, 一年生, 小学校一年生です, yeah, primary 1 students, okay. And the last one, 2021年, okay, 2021. 2021年. いいですか? Okay, so number 2 reading, nen. All right. Okay, so for this kanji on the screen, it can be number 1, it can be pronounced as tsuki, means moon. Tsuki. いいですか? Tsuki. Right, number 2 reading, okay, can be pronounced as getsu. For example, 月曜日. 月曜日 means Monday. いいですか? Monday. Okay. 今月. 今月 this month. 今月いいですか? This month. 来月. 来月 yeah, next month. いいですか? So number 2 reading, getsu. Yeah, those words are very basic and useful. Please try to remember them. Okay. Right. Number 3 reading. Number 3. Okay. Gatsu. Gatsu. Okay. So actually, by adding on the numbers 1 to 12 in front of gatsu, then we can turn them to months of the year. いいですか? Have you memorized the numbers already? 皆さんどうですか? Okay, so for example, by adding on number 1, 1月、いいですか? 1月, yeah, 1月, January. Okay, and by adding on number 2, 2月, yeah, become 2月, February. Okay, February, 2月. 次, next. 3月, 3月. いいですか? March, 3月. Okay. はい. This one is a special one, so try to remember, yeah? Number 4 can be 4 or 4. However, generally we say 4月. いいですか? 4月. April. 4月. はい. And 5月. May. 5月. May. Number 5 is 5. いいですか? 5月. May. And number 6 is 6. So 6月. 6月, June, okay, June. And number 7. Number 7 can be 7 or 7, but generally we say 7月, okay, we seldom use 7月, yeah, generally 7月, 7月, July, いいですか? はい、8月, 8月, August, okay, August. And number 9. So generally number 9 is Q or Ku, right? Q or Ku. However, referring to months of year, we use Kugats. We use Ku, okay? Kugats. September. いいですか? Kugats. September. Okay? So try to remember this one, a special one, yeah? はい、number 10. 10. 10月. 10月, October, いいですか? October, 10月. And number 11 is 11, right? So 11月, 11月, いいですか? November. And the last one, 12, number 2, 12. So it is 12月, 12月, いいですか? December, December. Okay, say the months of year is actually not difficult, right? So you just need to remember number 1 to number 12 very well and adding on guts. Okay, adding on guts, it becomes months of the year. Okay, いいですか? はい, all right, so this kanji on the screen, number 1 reading. Yeah, number 1 reading is へい日. Okay, へい日 means date. へい日、いいですか? And the second example, 日々. 日々. Yeah, can be daily or can be every day. いいですか? 日々. Okay, over here, this one is actually a repeated word. This one means a repeated word. Yeah. Okay, so it is actually a repeated へい. However, the pronunciation has changed. It become B-I, 日々. Okay. And for this one, just to highlight 日にち, actually this one, it is also this kanji. However, to avoid confusion, so generally when we talk about date, it is 日にち behind. Yeah, we use hiragana to avoid confusion. 日にち. Yeah, 日にち. ですか? Okay, so number 2 reading. Yeah, 日本. 日本 means Japan. いいですか? はい. Number 3. Okay, number 3 reading, it can be 日. For example, 日曜日. Yeah, 日曜日. 日曜日 means Sunday. いいですか? Number 2. 毎日. Every day. 毎日. Okay, the last one. 日常生活. 日常生活. いいですか? Daily life. Yeah, so basically 日常 and 生活 can be separated. Yeah, so 生活 means life. Yeah, it can be used separately. Yeah, 日常. Okay, all right. はい。次. Number 4, it can be read as 実. いいですか? For example, the first example. 平日いいですか? Weekday. Or 昨日 yesterday. Yeah. For those ones who you probably have learned, yesterday can be 昨日. Yeah, kino is like a spoken Japanese, okay, spoken Japanese. 昨日 we seldom use because it's actually more like a written Japanese, okay, written Japanese, yeah, but it is good to know in case you hear it somewhere, okay, 昨日, yesterday, okay. Generally in daily conversation we can use 昨日, okay, yesterday. All right, so this is the basic sentence structure we must learn. Yeah, 何々は何々です. Okay, and this alphabet inside a vocabulary, a word, yeah, it will be used as ha. However, as a particle here, it will be pronounced as wa. W-A, okay, so its main function is topic marker, and sometimes it can be used as subject marker also, yeah. And actually sometimes a subject it can be like this Y here, it can be at the same time used as a subject marker and a topic marker, because the subject, it is the topic we are talking about. All right. However, the main function, most of the time we hear it's more about topic marker. All right. Right. So this sentence structure is actually have quite few features. Okay, so today I'm gonna share this feature on the screen here. Yeah, 何は何です。いいですか? 名詞何は何です。Yeah, so Japanese sentence structure, it is actually SOV structure. Okay, so the verb, for example, です. Yeah, the verb be, it is at the end of the sentence. Okay, different from English. All right. Okay, so the subject over here, it is often a noun, right? However, behind what, okay, behind the what over here, yeah, behind what over here, one of the feature we can use is a noun. So this sentence will tell us noun is noun. いいですか? Noun is noun. And then by adding on question marker, by adding on this question word, か, you can turn this sentence to a question. いいですか? はい、for example, お誕生日は何月ですか? 皆さん、お誕生日は何月ですか? 何月ですか? Yeah, so here I didn't ask you, お誕生日はいつですか? いつ, yeah? If you use いつ, that means when is your birthday? All right, because today's topic is about months of the year. So my question is, お誕生日は何月ですか? 皆さん、何月ですか? Yeah, what month is your birthday? For example, 私の誕生日は2月です。Yeah, 2月です。Okay, so if you would like actually to say my birthday is, you know, you can say 私の誕生日。Yeah, 私の誕生日は2月です。Or referring to the question just now I asked, お誕生日はいつですか? お誕生日は何月ですか? Okay, actually in the actual conversation, you could just straight away say the answer. For example, 2月です。Okay, 2月です。February. Yeah, it's not necessary you have to say the full sentence like what you say on the screen. Okay, いいですか? So this is also telling us in the actual conversation, the subject, for example, over here, 私の誕生日. Yeah, the subject, it is often dropped. いいですか? Okay, so straight away we talk about the main things, which is February. 2月です。Yeah, いいですか? はい。Okay, so this is the quiz from the beginning. Okay, this year, next year, Monday, next month, April. Okay. By now, do you know all the words already? Hey. All right. So number 1, this year, 今年. Number 2, next year, 来年. Number 3, Monday, 月曜日. Number 4, next month, 来月. Number 5, April, 4月. いいですか? Okay, so those are the words we must learn and must remember. Okay, so please try to remember them. All right. はい。All right. Thank you for watching. This is Friday's 2 p.m. session Zoom lesson. Okay. I hope this is a very good reference for absolute beginners. Yeah, if you have already mastered the Hiragana alphabet, if you're wondering where to go next, what to learn next. Yeah. So actually, my Friday 2 p.m. Zoom lesson will be a very good reference for you. Okay. So if you would like to attend future lesson, or if you cannot make it most of the time, if you would like to receive future updates on YouTube, please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Okay, いいですか? はい、皆さん、thank you for watching. Thanks again. Hope to see you in one of my live Zoom lessons soon. Okay. All right, thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. またね。